What happened here? Well, to answer that question, let me take you back moments before this scene. I want you to picture this. You have been looking forward to this road trip for months. At 68 years old, you have treasured any opportunity to get behind the wheel of your prized Audi RS6 and feel the roar of the engine as you accelerate up the highway. Which highway would be perfect for this ride? Guess. Yes, the German Autobahn. You have spent years saving for this luxury sports sedan, finally purchasing it 2 years ago after your wife agreed it was midlife crisis enough. As you merge onto the highway, you can't help but put your foot down. The RS6 responses immediately, surging forward and pushing you back into the leather seats. You shift into the middle lane and settle into a steady 200 miles per hour cruising speed. The scenery whip by in a blur as you lose yourself in the moment. After quite some time of smooth sailing, you approach a truck with no trailer attached on it in the right lane. As you start to pass, the truck suddenly and without warning merge into the middle lane. You slam on the brakes and yank the steering wheel, but it is too late. The massive wheels of the truck fills your windshield as the Audi slammed into the truck's rear end at full speed. The collision sent the Audi spinning across the road. You see the steel support pole coming at you in slow motion as the car careened out of control. On impact, the airbags deployed, but you get thrown from the car. You sail through the air for what seemed like an eternity before crashing to the pavement in a heap. Fortunately for you, that's a fantasy, but the same can't be said to the 68-year-old man who owned that RS6. The man wasn't so fortunate, he passed away on scene. This is the video of the aftermath. How can a collision with a slow-moving truck send a car flying through the air, you might ask? Well, let me explain how using the laws of physics. So, due to conservation of momentum, the total momentum of the two objects before the collision must equal the total momentum after the collision. If the objects have different masses and velocities before the collision, after the collision one object may end up with a much higher velocity than the other, causing it to move into the air. Also, impulse is involved. Impulse is a rapid change in an object's momentum over a short period of time occurs when one object hits another. So, a large impulse from the collision gave the Audi RS6 enough momentum to lift off the ground briefly. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like and share with someone you think needs to hear this story. Stay safe. Click video appearing on screen to watch the infamous Lamborghini crash story.